If you're thinking of buying a new home in California or you already currently own a home, I've got some potentially good news for you going into 2025. So as most people know by now, getting insurance for a home in California has become extremely difficult. In fact, over the last year, almost 14% of homes that fell out of escrow because buyers either couldn't obtain insurance or it was way too costly to do so, so they had to back out. So in my industry, the real estate industry, it's become a major problem. So the California Department of Insurance just came out with some new rules that are going into effect January 2nd. And what they're basically doing is they're going to allow more insurance companies to hopefully come back into California by updating the way that they use models to be able to insure homes. So in the past, insurance companies were only able to look at past claims to figure out what they want to price their insurance at and not future predictive models. However, that's about to change. So insurance companies are now going to be able to predict into the future what type of issues might occur and help them better manage their risk that way. And this is the way that most states already do it in the US. Now, in return, what California is asking is that insurance companies as a whole cover 85% of all of those high fire zones in California to help them get insurance again. So does this mean insurance costs are going to start dropping? Probably not. However, the ideal situation really here is we start seeing some stabilization in the market as more competition comes back in and making home ownership a little bit more predictable in terms of how much it's going to cost, so you don't have to worry about being dropped or your premiums skyrocketing.